Okay, could they introduce yourself?
Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Ronaldine Mashan, 21 years old. I have 3 kids, and I have 2 sisters and 2 brothers. I am a Roman Catholic. My work experience in Saudi Arabia and Singapore.
Okay, how old your kids?
12 years old, 11 years old, and 2 years old.
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
Who will look for your kids if you're
My
going to
mother,
Hong
ma'am.
Kong? Your experience in Saudi Arabia is how long you worked there?
2 years and 3 months.
Okay, and how many members of the family did you serve here?
6 mom and 2 adults and 4 kids.
How old the kids when you start working with them?
14 years old, 9 years old, 8 years old, and 1 year old.
Okay, what did you do as a helper in the house?
Cleaning, ironing, cooking, and washing the dishes.
Okay, you go to market or no?
Sometimes, ma'am.
With your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how often you go marketing in a week?
Twice a week, ma'am.
Twice a week, okay. And how was your relationship between you and your employer before in Saudi?
Good, ma'am.
It was good.
Yes, ma'am.
How many helper in the house?
Only me, ma'am.
You have day off before here in Saudi?
No, ma'am.
No day off. So after working in Saudi, you work in Singapore
Yes, ma'am.
right away?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how long you work in Saudi?
2 years, ma'am. And
I don't know. So I'm sorry. The Singapore. How long you work?
11, ma'am.
11 months.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So why you did not finish your 2 years contract here?
Because my employer went back to Germany, ma'am.
So your employer is a German.
Yes, ma'am.
So they just stay in Singapore for their work.
Yes, ma'am.
How many members of the family did you serve here?
3, ma'am.
What is your how old the kids?
1 year old, ma'am.
Is it a girl or a boy?
Boy, ma'am.
Okay, so what's your main duties here?
Main duties. I take care of the baby, ma'am, and cooking, cleaning, washes the dishes, ironing, ma'am.
Okay, so you need to sleep with the baby or no, the child?
Sometimes, ma'am.
Sometimes you
Yes.
sleep with him. Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong now?
Because I want to help my family, ma'am, and the future of my kids, children.
How long you want to work in Hong Kong?
Until my employer want my service, ma'am.
If you feel homesick, what will you do?
I pray and I will focus my work, ma'am.
Are you ready to go Hong Kong anytime now?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you afraid of any pet?
No, ma'am.
Okay, are you willing to look for an elderly in Hong Kong, or there's an elder staying in your employer's house? There's no problem
Yes,
with you.
ma'am. No problem.
You love kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you handle naughty kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you willing also to share room with the kids?
Yes, ma'am.
It's okay. And are you willing to share job with other helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Your future employer now is watching you. What can you assure and promise to them?
Hi, ma'am and sir. Please hire me as your helper, and I promise to do all my duties. And I am hardworking and person and flexible. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, thank you very much. HL 2102.